So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-pin ng image sa ating messenger chat. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung messenger app na gagamitin natin. And once na updated na yan, open na natin yung ating messenger. And then dito guys, pili lang kayo ng isang conversation na kung saan gusto nyong mag-pin ng image. So for example, is itong conversation na to. And kung makikita nyo guys, meron ditong image. And kung gusto nyo siyang nakapin and lagi siyang mag-a-appear sa pinakang unahan ng conversation, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is ilo-long press nyo yung image na yon, then hold, then tap nyo yung menu. And then may magpa-pop up dyan guys na option. So piliin at hanapin nyo lang yung pin. And once guys na natap nyo na yung pin, automatic, yan yung laging mag-a-appear sa unahan ng inyong conversation. So kung makikita nyo guys, meron ditong parang pin. Ibig sabihin yan yung nakapin natin na image. So hindi lang isa yung pwede nating ipin dito guys. Kahit ilang image yung pwede nating ipin sa unahan ng ating conversation. So, hindi lang yung mga sent image yung pwede nyong ipin. Pwede din kayo mag-pin ng image na na-receive ninyo. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-pin ng mga image sa ating messenger chat. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.